Hello friends, welcome to Law Students Corner. In this video, I will explain about the concept of property, different kinds of property, and a detailed description about intellectual property. Let's move on to the subject. The word property is used in numerous senses in general. If one looks around in the surroundings, everything available may be categorized as property. The essential characteristics of property is the value attached to it. For example, a house is considered as a property because it has some value attached to it. Ornaments are also considered as property because of the value attached to it. Car, mobile phone, every other material things are considered as property. All material things are tangible property because they have physical existence. Consider another example. Shares of a company. It also have value and it is an intangible property. I hope the meaning of property is now clear for you. Property in law means anything that is capable of being owned. Now let's look into the different kinds of property. Property may be classified into corporeal property and incorporeal property. Salmon says corporeal property is the right of ownership in material things. Corporeal property is further divided into two, immovable property and movable property. Incorporeal property means intangible property. It is further divided into encumbrances and intellectual property. Examples for encumbrances are lease, easements, securities. Example for intellectual properties are patent, copyright, trademark, etc. Now let's have a detailed look into intellectual property. Intellectual property is the right resulting from intellectual creations in the industrial, scientific, literary, or artistic fields. It means intellectual property is the right vested in products of intellectual creativity. The law related to intellectual property aims at protecting the people who created it. Types of intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights may be classified into various categories. The most widely utilized intellectual property rights are discussed here. Trademark, patents, copyrights, geographical indicators, industrial design, goodwill. Let's look one by one. First one, trademark. Trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing goods and services of one enterprise from another. Trademarks are used to protect the unique identity of renowned brands. An example of a trademark would be the logos or slogans used by brands to make their product uniquely identifiable. Here you can see the logo of Google and Apple. Patents. Patent is an exclusive right granted for the invention of a product. This invention should offer a new technical solution to a problem. To obtain a patent, the technical information must be disclosed to the public in a patent application. A patent so obtained remains in force for 20 years. Edison received patent for incandescent lamp, and this invention paved the way for universal domestic use of electric light. Next is copyright. Copyright is the exclusive right given to the creator of a creative work to reproduce the work. Copyright are mainly given to literary and artistic works. The copyright of famous storybook Harry Potter is vested with J.K. Rowling. Geographical indicator. Geographical indicator is an indicator used on products having a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities that exist due to their basic origin. The sign must identify a product as originating in a given place and the quality, characteristics, or reputation should be due to the place of origin. Kadaknath chicken from Madhya Pradesh has been granted the geographical indication tag. The unique feature of this cock is it is black in color. Place of origin is Madhya Pradesh. Industrial design. Industrial design is related to the product which are a part of the industrial setup. It refers to the shape, configuration, color or pattern which may be an ornamental or aesthetic aspect of a product. Look at this picture. It's a Harley Davidson motorbike. Its unique design and configuration cannot be copied by any other automobile manufacturers. Commercial goodwill. Commercial goodwill is a prominent form of incorporeal right. The goodwill of a commercial business is a valuable right acquired by the owner of his labor and skill. An example is Bill Gates owned the commercial goodwill of Microsoft company. I hope this video has given you a clear picture about the concept of property. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of new videos. Thank you for watching.